Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all the cache memory in your Windows 10 and 11. We have a few options here for clearing up to 50 GB of storage space and optimizing your C drive. So let's get this video rolling. So first, go to the Start menu by right-clicking on the Start button and choose Run, or simply press Ctrl+R. Simply enter Prefetch and click OK. And if you see this pop up, simply hit Continue to run as administrator, and you'll see a slew of various sorts of files that take up a lot of space. Simply select all the files by hitting Ctrl+A, and then hit Delete. This will remove all of those files for you. If you can't get rid of some of them, that's fine. Simply click the checkbox and then click the Skip button to proceed. Again, open Run by pressing Ctrl+R, then type Temp and hit Enter. In this case, we'll clear all temporary files by selecting All with Ctrl+A and then hitting Delete. Again, there will be some files that you cannot remove, which is totally fine. Just simply skip them, since they may be running in the background. Finally, launch Run by pressing Ctrl+R again, %temp%, and then press Enter. This is the last temp folder we'll be getting rid of. Again, press Ctrl+A to select all files and hit Delete. Like with previous steps, we will be left with a few files, which is fine. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then to your C drive, then followed by Windows. Now scroll all the way down until you locate Software Distribution and click it. Now open the Download folder, which will include all of the files from Windows Update. Simply select everything by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them. This will request for admin access. Simply click Continue to proceed. Let's now optimize our C drive. Return to this PC and right-click on the C drive and select the properties. Now click on the Tools tab and then Optimize. Now, first click on Analyze, which will take a few minutes to complete. This is where you can optimize and defrag your drive. I strongly recommend you to do this at least once or twice a month. And then click on Optimize, which will take a little bit to complete. You can minimize the window and continue with your work. After the process is through, you will see the OK in the current status. Now go to Start and search for Disk Cleanup. And open it. Select C drive, which will calculate the amount of disk space you may gain. Just make sure to check all the required boxes and click on Cleanup System Files. This will delete all the unwanted files. Again, select the drive once more and check all of the boxes. Then, after that, click the OK button to begin the cleaning process, which will take some time. You can continue with your work in the meanwhile. Once the process is done, it will automatically close. This is a quick and easy option to get rid of all those unwanted files you are no longer utilizing. Now go to Start and open Command Prompt. Here we will flush out all of our network's cache data. This will not remove your network password or settings. Simply type ipconfig//DNS. Make sure DNS is in caps just like this and press Enter. This will take a few seconds, and you will receive a successful message. Finally, open Run by hitting Ctrl+R and type WS Reset. This will delete your Microsoft Store cache data. The procedure may take a few minutes to complete. Once completed, the Store app will open automatically. I hope you found this video helpful in cleaning off cache memory in Windows and freeing up some space on your C drive. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And let us know in the comments what approach you use to free up space on your C drive. And we'll see you again in our future video.